Malaysia is struggling with a low recycling rate. Currently, around 80% of our nation waste ends up in landfill, with a large portion consisting of recyclable materials. That's a huge missed opportunity.
Recycling is confusing, but it shouldn't be. First, we are lack of environmental awareness. Second, inconvenience of existing recycling system. Third, we have limited access to sorting facilities.
As a result, people often discard waste without a second thought.
Our objective to build our app is to promote recycling awareness through education and fun. Second, incentivize participation by using gamification. And reduce landfill waste by up to 30% in our target communities. Data from United Nations shows that countries like Malaysia, Turkey, Thailand, and Singapore show relatively slow growth in recycle, with most of them recycle less than 5 million tons of waste per year, even though by 2021.
And when we zoom into plastic waste specifically, the situation is even more alarming. Globally, only 9% of plastic waste is recycled, and Asia is even lower at just 8%.
In Malaysia, we have seen other recycling apps, but they mostly focus on buyback or simple reward system. ReadyCLE is different.
How we create the app?
We use the core concept of SLIM Slim. S stands for scan. We have smart categorizations that help you to identify items and sort it. L stands for learn. Learn recycling tips in our app.
I stands for interact with game, where it's not just fun, you can earn points, and badges, and redeem real-life prizes.
M stands for make a booking and mark reminders. Make a booking for doorstep pickup and mark reminders so you won't miss your recycling day again.
In August 2025, we'll consult software engineer for professional guidance. In September 2025, we'll conduct a test run within college communities. In October 2025, we'll build partnerships with recycling agencies and set up sorting and redemption service. In November 2025, we'll expand the pilot testing from residential area to a national scale. In 2026, ReadyCLE is officially launched.
How we use the app?
Welcome to ReadyCLE. For guidelines to use the app, click on the button below to explore. Scroll down and click on the button at the bottom of the page. You will be redirected to an external web page. Now, let's upload an image from our local gallery. Click on Run Inference. Scroll down and you will see the prediction for the classes of your recyclable items, which is paper. Ooh, the most exciting part of the app is Bin It Right game. Click on Bin It Right icon. The game is to fetch recyclable items with the recycle bin. Click Start Playing to play the game. Click Start. Watch out for non-recyclable items that will -1 score. Try to get 10 recyclable items correct and you will win the game. Are you too busy to send the recyclable items to the recycling center? Let's schedule doorstep pickups directly through the app. Click on Track and Remind. Book a doorstep pickup directly through the app. Schedule time, and then get my location, and then you click Add Task. There, the booking is done. Lastly, let's dive into our Recycling Info Hub to learn about best practices and clear up common misconceptions about recycling. Click on More Info. Click on any topic that you would like to know about. That's all.
We carry out a pilot study which covers a wide range of age group and gender. Most of them agree that our app is very helpful. The features that motivate users the most to use our app is earning points and rewards.
One challenge was that some residents were not very familiar in downloading or using the new apps, so we have to explain patiently to them. Another challenge is our database. Right now, it only covers the common recyclable items.
And lastly, time was also a limitation. Since we are still students, balancing between studies and app development was not easy. Our journey doesn't end here. We have planned to excite improvements for our app. Firstly, we'll expand the database. Right now, some tricky materials like electronics, Tetra Paks, and also hazardous waste are not fully covered. In the future, our app will recognize them accurately by using AI image recognition. To achieve that, we'll partner with recycling companies so users can get the most accurate information for every item they sell. Next is our game. Recycling should be fun. We have added badges, levels, and streaks to motivate users. We also plan to launch a leaderboard so schools and communities can compete to see who recycle the most. To test this system, we'll run a pilot program with schools and residential areas.
Since Malaysia is so diverse, we'll add multi-language support, which is English, Malay, Chinese, and Tamil.
With all these improvements and the right partnerships,
Our apps can create a stronger recycling culture for the future.